In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close partials on TradingView. Closing partial trades can be a very useful strategy, allowing you to secure profits while still maintaining a position in the market. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident in managing your positions effectively. Let's begin by ensuring your settings are correctly configured within TradingView. Open up your TradingView platform and head over to your account settings. Here, you need to check if your brokerage account is synced properly. It's important to make sure all settings are accurate, particularly those related to your broker, as this is crucial for executing trades seamlessly. A good starting point is navigating through your account information and verifying everything matches up with your expected trade parameters. Once your settings are in place, the next step is to locate your open position. To do this, simply go to your chart where you've initiated a trade. If you're managing multiple trades, you'll likely see a list of open positions, often displayed at the bottom of the interface. This overview allows you to keep track of active trades and is an essential part of managing your portfolio efficiently. Make sure you have the specific position you want to modify clearly identified. It'll make the next step straightforward and prevent any accidental closures. Now that you've pinpointed the position, it's time to initiate the close position process. Typically, you'll do this by right-clicking on the position you'd like to modify. A drop-down menu will appear offering various options. Look for something akin to close position or a similar command. It's important to note that initiating this doesn't immediately result in a closure, but rather takes you to the next set of options, allowing you to adjust specifics before finalizing. Once you've initiated the closure process, opt for the partial close setting. This feature will let you close only a portion of your trade, perfect for taking some profits without fully exiting your position. Partial closures are about balance and market positioning, and selecting this option is a critical moment in the sequence. Following this, you'll need to specify the units you'd like to close. This could be a number of shares or a percentage of your total position, depending on your strategy and the options available in your TradingView interface. Carefully enter the correct amount you intend to close, making sure it aligns with your overall trading goals. Double-checking this number is often a wise choice to ensure you haven't made an unintended error. Finally, it's time to confirm the partial close. This is where you validate your choices, confirming the number of units or percentage you wish to exit. You'll want to review all details visible in the confirmation window, ensuring the transaction reflects your intended execution. Once everything looks good, proceed with the confirmation. And there you have it. You've successfully closed a partial position on TradingView. Thanks for watching and happy trading.